This is a print head, and how I clean print head. Cloud print head is using this um, cleaning solution and syringe. Here, was not focus. 10 c's, 10 ml. I just insert there. I just make a little large hole there and insert the syringe here. Just careful. I just pump the liquid there. You do that to the color that is clogged. If you can see crossing jets there, crossing liquid, that means that there's a problem with the head or it's really clogged, and sometimes it cannot be fixed with that. I also I will sometimes use water, but I advise cleaning solution. Sometimes it will take some time to clean a head. uh, you just do it repeatedly until you will that that their flow is means it's very okay, but there's a little bit gap there. It should be straight lines there. You see there's a little gap there. You keep doing that until it will clear the clog, but make sure if you reinstall this, make sure this one is not wet, because it will damage your print head, short circuit. And make sure it is really dry here, and do not put too much pressure in this so that it will not destroy the gasket here. There's a gasket per color here, so if it's not really uh, the liquid's not coming out, and even you wait for 3 hours, like soaking 3 hours or overnight, if it's not really working, then you need to replace. You can also do like this. So this head is okay, but there's a little line there, but it's usable unless the line or the liquid will not come out here or leak through all the head here. That means you need to replace. Thank you.